911, what's your emergency?
Hello, welcome to Naki Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to hide or show your caller ID. First of all, you have to go to your phone icon. You click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then you go to settings. Then from here you click on supplementary service. You wait for a while for it to load. So you can do it both on your SIM 1 and SIM 2. You can choose to show or hide your caller ID, or you can choose network default, the one that you prefer. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe for more videos.